Today is 6th August 2024. I'm Donald Fernandez, Chief Providence Goa. We have come here to Bori, to Devidas's house. It's in pretty bad condition, which you will see in the video. So basically, the back part has to be repaired, which we will undertake on a top priority basis. Whether we're going to do it with stone or with the tiles or with metal, we will decide in the due course of time because it's really falling down. There is an elderly mother of his on the ground, and her father-in-law is suffering from dialysis, and that's how they connected in the hospital where Anna gives the diapers every day. So through the project of the diapers bank which we are running in the hospital, we come across dialysis patients, which we had said that we will be undertaking to help only dialysis patients with their houses. And this is the second house we have come across where the dialysis patients' house need repairs. And overall, this is the fifth house we have undertaken in hand where work is simultaneously going on. So this is in Bori. We appreciate Subhash Shirokar, local MLA and minister for this area, if he can also look into the matter and send something to help them to at least get some benefit from that government grant which they have for repairing of homes. We are not here to criticize the government. We are here to work with the government to see that the government gives them some support. We'll give them some support, and to see that such people whose houses are on the verge of falling down are able to get a better living facility, because his mother is bedridden on the ground and there's no other source of income. He goes to work recently, and she has to take the father to the hospital for dialysis twice a week, and they have two small children in the house. So basically we will be undertaking and completing the back part, Patle part. If anybody wants to help them, kindly come to us, because then unwanted confusion comes in. And if people from this locality also can contribute towards the material, you are most welcome to contribute towards the material. But lastly, we like to appeal to Subhash Shirokar, the local MLA and the Minister for Water Resources Department, to kindly send his people here to have a look and see how well we all can work together. Thank you so much.
सो आमचो टीम आतां स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्साचो एना आनी हांव हांगा येयलेले आसा बोरी नेक्स्ट टू टॉप कोला फॅक्टरी. आनी हांगा आसा आमचो भाव देविदास च्यारी आनी प्रियंका च्यारी, दोग जाण आसा हे. आनी तांची सिट्युएशन म्हणजे मातशें डिफिकल्ट आसा, फायनान्शियल सिट्युएशन डिफिकल्ट आसा. ताका दोग जाण भुरगीं आसा, दोगूय ती भुरगीं ती आमची प्रायमरी स्कुलान शिकता. आमी आतां उलोवया प्रियंका च्यारी. हें जेवण आमी हें आमकां एक रेशन कसो एक सद्याक आमी एक रेशन तुमकां दिता. आमकां मातशें सांगशा तुमकां कितें तुमचो प्रॉब्लम, कितें कशें तुमी आतां कशें तुमी तुमचो दिसवटो हो तुमचे म्हयन्याचो खर्च तुमी कशें काडटा?
सद्या कामां वयता, हांव मास कामां लागला, म्हागेलें कन्फर्म ना कामाचें केन्ना सोडीत. आनी ह्या पावसान आमची भिंतूय पडले. आतां हे स्टेट प्रोविडंट आमकां हेल्प करपाची चिंतला, ते येयल्ले हांगा सगळें हें केलां, स्पेटीन केलां. कोणा ते हेल्प करपा जाल्यार स्टेट प्रोविडंटान दिवचें हेल्प करपा, ते आमकां हेल्प करपा रेडी जाल्यात.
आनी मागीर प्रियंका आमची ही भयण ती खंय तरी बारीकशे कोणाच्या दुकानाचेर काम करता, आनी तशें करून ते दोगांयचे पयशे एकठांय करून ते कितें ते आपणाच्या भुरग्यांक कितें खावंक घालता. सो प्रियंका, तूं कितें म्हणूंक सोदता? तूं आमी आतां स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्सान आयल्या हिंगा, सो तुमचो हें कितें मागणें कितें?
आमकां मातसो हेल्प करपाचो, मातशें घर हें सारकें करपाक. हांव सद्या कामाक मातशें दुकानाचेर वयता, आनी म्हाजी भुरगीं आसा, मांय आसा ती पेरेराद जाला, तांकां सगळ्यांक पळोवचें पडटा, सगळें म्हाजेरूच पडटा. हांव एकटेंच काम करता. घोव सद्या कामाक सारको ना, तेजें काम केन्ना बंद जावंक शकता. तो आमकां न्हू सद्या स्ट्रीट प्रोविडंटान हेल्प करपाचें चिंतलां. कोणाक जर हेल्प करपाचें आहा जाल्यार स्ट्रीट प्रोविडंट तेच्या एकावंटाचेर आमकां हेल्प करपाचें.